Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here with a video for Honeybee Stamps. Today I'm sharing a sunset silhouette card using one of the new Lovely Layer die sets, so let's get started. First, I die cut the palm trees and hammock from the Lovely Layers Hammock die set using black, dark gray, and black glitter cardstock. I used the glitter cardstock on the top two layers of each palm tree and part of the hammock. I used the dark gray for the hammock outline and then black cardstock for the rest of the pieces. I used the layering guides on the website to line up each section of the palm tree. You can kind of see how some of the leaves line up from layer to layer. Once I finish putting them all together, I set them aside to dry while I work on the rest of the card. To create my sunset sky, I blend Tattered Rose, Abandoned Coral, and Seedless Preserves Distress Oxide ink onto a panel of white cardstock. I apply thick coverage of each color, blending between them as I go. This is one of my all-time favorite color combos for sunsets. The Abandoned Coral and Seedless Preserves blend is unexpectedly gorgeous. Once the background is dry, I create my scene. I use black glitter cardstock and the bottom layer of the Beach Builder scene die for the sand, and then add my palm trees and hammock. Finally, I add a die-cut sentiment from Rest and Relaxation. It's simple, but the ink blending is really eye-catching and striking, and I love how the black glitter sparkles when it catches the light. And that's it. You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below. I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you did, I'd love for you to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe to the Honeybee Stamps channel for even more crafty inspiration. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!